fractional degrees. How would we talk about some portion of a degree? For example, if we wanted to answer this question, what angle is halfway between 40 degrees and 41 degrees? Well, there are two ways that we can approach this. The most common way is to simply use a decimal number, the decimal degree system. This works exactly the way you think it would. Halfway between 40 and 41 would be 40 and a half, which as a decimal would be expressed as 40.5. So that's a great answer to the question, 40.5 degrees. There is another system, though, that comes up from time to time. It's called the degree minutes seconds system. And this way of handling fractional degrees takes 1 degree and breaks it down into smaller pieces called minutes and seconds. Specifically, there are 60 minutes, that's the symbol for minutes, in 1 degree. And then if you want to break it down further, there are 60 seconds, is how we write that, in 1 minute. Now, as soon as I write this down, of course, this should make you think about the way we tell time, right? And it's essentially the same thing, 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes in 1 hour. If you just think of hours and degrees as being switched out here, it's exactly what you're used to. How many seconds would there be in a degree? Well, there are 60 seconds in a minute and then 60 minutes in a degree. So if I multiply 60 times 60, which gives me 3,600, there are 3,600 seconds in 1 degree. Going back to the original question, so this was 40.5 degrees in DD form. How would I express this in DMS form? Well, this is a pretty easy one. Half a degree. Well, let's see. There are 60 minutes in 1 degree. That would mean there would be 30 minutes in half a degree. And so here would be the DMS way of writing 40.5 degrees. Thanks for watching.